Hello everyone, today we'll be creating this movie poster using Pixellab and Snapseed. So first, clear your Canva. Set the size to 4349 by 5907 pixels. Let's import the background. We'll increase the size so it covers the full screen. Next, let's bring in the images for our movie cast. Just reduce the size and position them as I'm doing. Give it this realistic look by sending the images at the side behind the other images. I'll quickly edit some of the images here. I'll just adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation. Just follow what I'm doing. Select all of them and just push them to the center. Save your work and let's head over to Snapseed. I've added the PLP file for this in the project files. The link is in the description. Here in Snapseed, we'll just import the image. Go to double exposure and add the image of our background. Increase the opacity and position it. Now go to View Edits. Click on Double Exposure and brush over the bottom part so the background blends with the other pictures. Next go to Curves. Again, just follow what I'm doing. Go to View Edits. Enter Curves and brush it on the bottom part. Next go to HDRscape. Use the People filter. Just adjust the values. Let's just delete this curve styling. Go to Grudge. Pick the fourth one. Increase the style to 431. Increase the brightness. Just adjust all the values as I'm doing. Reduce the texture strength. Go to Details and increase the structure a bit. Go to Curves. Drop all the values of each color. Go to View Edits. Click on Curves and brush over the bottom part. Go to Portrait. Click on Eyes 2. Adjust the values as I'm doing. Go to Curves again. This time we want to bring out the orange color in the design, so we'll increase our green and our red. Then drop the blue. Go to View Edits and brush over the background. Don't brush on the other pictures. Next, go to Tune Image. Follow what I'm doing here to get similar result. You can also just play with the values till you get what you like. So that's the main thing. You can still check other filters here and just edit it to your style. As for me, I'll see what works best for me. One more thing, go to Brush. We'll just drop the value of the dodge and brush over this man's face. We'll go to Exposure and drop the value and brush it over the face of this other man. Looks greenish too, let's erase it. Go to Curves. Drop the green. And I think this is okay like this. So let's save it. Go back to Pixellab. Clear the Canva. Set as the background the edited image from Snapseed. Add noise to it. Set the alpha to 30 and the enhance to 15. Create a rectangle to cover the whole screen. Give it a gradient color. Make sure one part is transparent and the other part is fully colored. We'll make the colored part black. Position it well. Now, reduce the opacity so it doesn't look too dark. Center it horizontally and vertically. Let's add the text. I'll just give it a random title. Since most of our characters are wearing suit, corporate is not a bad title. Set the font to Stretch Sans. All just another text. This one's for me. You can add your brand name here. Set the font to Montserrat Medium. Increase the letter spacing to 28. Center the text. Let's import an image for the movie credits. We'll set the color to white and just reduce its size a bit. Position it to the center. Let's select all the three text and move them up a bit. And that's all. You can save your work like this, or you can get more creative and more things. You can only get better when you do more than stick with what you watch here. Sorry, let's quickly add a fade effect at the bottom here. Save this and head over to Snapseed. Here in Snapseed we'll import the image. Now go to Details and increase the structure. Go to Tonal Contrast and increase the high tones. Save your work. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.